Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "We are not makers of history, we are made by history." This thought resonates deeply within Africa and the African diaspora, a rich tapestry woven with threads of resilience, innovation, and cultural vibrancy. Imagine a highway, a vast thoroughfare of opportunity. This is not just a road, it's a symbol, an analogy for the journey of life. On this highway, myriad individuals, all dressed in the garb of their respective professions, are racing not against each other, but with each other, towards a common goal. They are not just racing to win, they are racing to build. These are a generation of changemakers gathered from all over the world who have heeded the call to return home and build the motherland. Look at them, an army of farmers, doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, scientists, bankers, entertainers, athletes, soldiers, men and women of all disciplines, skilled in their vocations, leaders in their respective sectors, each holding the tools of their trade, symbols of their individual expertise and excellent contributions to the collective progress of humanity. As you gaze on this highway, you'll see a backdrop of lush green trees, a riot of colorful flowers, and birds filling the air with their melodious symphony. This isn't merely scenery, it's the landscape of Africa. Welcome home. This is Africa, the fertile ground of opportunity that nurtures growth and innovation of the human race, the cradle of civilization, the pearl of the planet and the harbinger of life. On this highway stands the Great Pyramid, a testament to the enduring strength and resilience of the African spirit, a symbol of our creativity, innovation and engineering excellence, a reflection of our economic potentials and global preeminence. Atop this pyramid is a sculpture, a map of Africa, representing the roots from which this continent has sprung and the powerful connection that binds us together. This scenario paints a picture of unity and diversity, a dream planted at the heart of Africa and the African diaspora. Each individual, with their unique skills and talents, contributing to our collective progress, just like the different instruments in an orchestra coming together to create a beautiful symphony. Yes, our journey is not without its challenges. The highway, while a path to progress, is also fraught with obstacles. But it is the spirit of resilience, the unwavering determination to overcome, that propels this continent forward. As we race to build Africa, let us remember that it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. It's about the bonds we forge amongst ourselves. Though we represent different tribes, nations and cultures, we are one people united with a vision of a strong, prosperous, proud and united Africa. The challenges may be great, but our faith to overcome is greater. Race to Build Africa is about the shared history that has shaped this continent and the shared vision that propels us forward. In the words of Maya Angelou, the horizon leans forward, offering you space to place new steps of change. Now, as we race to build Africa, let these words be our inspiration. What steps of change am I willing to take to contribute to the collective progress of Africa? What will my legacy be in this race to build Africa? Now is the time to rise and be counted. Join the race to build Africa now. www.racetobuildafrica.org